If you have ever tried building a sales funnel, you know it can get complicated first. Landing pages, email campaign, SMS follow-up, reminders, leads coming in from different sources, connecting all the pieces can feel like juggling 10 things at once. But that's exactly where GoHighLevel comes in. It's built to automate your entire sales funnel so you can focus on growing your business instead of manually chasing leads. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will understand how GoHighLevel works and who it's for and how you can get started with a free trial. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your productivity. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing and check the link in the description below for free trial and special offers. And if you check the link in the description, you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. Alright, now let's get started. So how does GoHighLevel automate your sales funnel? At the core, GoHighLevel lets you create funnels and websites using a simple drag and drop builder. You don't need any coding skills or complicated setup. You just drag and drop the element and set up forms to capture lead. But the real power comes after someone enters your funnel. The system can automatically send the email, SMS message, or even voicemail at the right time, depending on what action they take. For example, imagine someone sign up for a free consultation. The moment they do, they automatically get a welcome email introducing your service. The next day, they receive a follow-up text reminder to schedule a call. And if they still don't respond, the system can even trigger a pre-recorded voicemail or add them to another sequence that continues nurturing them, all without you doing a thing. GoHighLevel is perfect for agency owners, coaches, consultations, and any business that want to automate lead generation and follow up. But it also useful for solo entrepreneurs who want to save the time and make sure no leads slip through the cracks. Basically, if your business depend on capturing leads, nurturing them and converting them into paying customer, this tool is built to make your life easier. Inside GoHighLevel, everything is connected. You get funnel and landing pages, email campaigns, SMS campaign, workflow, appointment calendars, pipeline tracking, and automations all in one place. You can set rules like if someone clicks the button, send them this email in 2 days and move them to this stage in the pipeline. Or if a lead books a call, automatically send them reminders and follow up until they show up. What this means is your sales process can run almost entirely on autopilot and you don't have to continuously check in, send manual message or worry about missing opportunities. It's like having a virtual sales team that works 24/7, handling the leads and nurturing them exactly how you want. Now let's talk about the pricing. GoHighLevel starts at around $97 per month for one account with all the basic features. But if you want the full customization capabilities, unlimited sub account, white labeling, API access and custom domain, the $297 which is agency plan, this is where you unlock the real power. For businesses managing multiple clients or wanting advanced automation sequence, this plan is basically a must have. And here is the great part. GoHighLevel offers a 14 days free trial. That means you can build your first funnel, set up automation sequence and send test email and text and even try the sub accounts for client all before paying a single dollar. Using the link in the description, even you can get the 30 days extended trial instead of the 14 days. So you get the extra time to explore the platform fully and see if it fits your business or not. Now on the positive side, GoHighLevel automates your sales funnel completely, saves you hours of manual work and help you to capture and nurture more leads. It's all in one, which is also means fewer tools to pay for and less complexity. On the downside, it can feel overwhelming at first. There is a learning curve, especially if you have never used automation or pipelines before. But once you get the hang of it, the platform is incredibly powerful and scalable. If you are serious about building a business where your funnel works automatically, GoHighLevel is one of the best tools available. GoHighLevel doesn't just help you to organize leads, it actively nurtures them, follow up with them and pushes them through your sales process without you having to continuously intervene. Now, Think of it like having a full-time sales and marketing assistant that never sleeps and never misses a follow-up and keep moving prospect toward becoming the paying customer. So don't just take my word for it. You can try it yourself. Click the link in the description and try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button for more tutorials, comparisons and productivity hacks, and I will see you in the next video.